In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing / review video of the iPad 10th generation plus the Apple Pencil 1st generation. And so this is the iPad 10th generation. I did get it in silver. I haven't opened it yet. We're going to see how it turns out. So this is how the iPad came. This is the color I got. I got silver, but they also offer yellow, pink, and blue. I specifically got the 256 gigabyte version, iPad 10th generation with Wi-Fi. And it includes iPad, USB-C charge cable, and USB-C power adapter. So now let's get to opening it. So we pull this here. That was satisfying. Okay, and then there's one at the bottom as well that we have to pull. Yes. So we took the box off and it comes like this. And we're gonna pull carefully, pull the iPad out of the case. This is how it comes. So satisfying. Go to the other side and slip it. That's beautiful. And this is the silver. It's so beautiful, guys. So then we have other stuff in the box as well. And we have designed by Apple in California. It comes with a bunch of papers and a bunch of instructions on what to do. Comes with, of course, the Apple logo sticker. And then we have the C adapter, and we have the wire that comes with it, which is a C to a C. And I believe that is all the pieces that the iPad comes with. Before I set up the iPad, I'm going to also open the Apple Pencil to see what that is about. So again, this is how it came. It includes the Apple Pencil 1st generation, USB-C to Apple Pencil adapter, lightning adapter, and extra tip. So we're going to unwrap it. And you're just gonna pull it out beautifully like this. Ooh, it's really big. That's beautiful. And this is how the Apple Pencil looks. And we're going to take the plastic off. And this is how the Apple Pencil looks. It is really beautiful. You take this off to charge it and put it back on. Besides that, it came with this here, which is just the pieces here. And it came with instructions on how to use it. Now the part we have all been waiting for, which is the setup of the iPad. So we're going to turn it on. I'm guessing it's by the top up here. It's beautiful. And now it is setup time. So we're going to choose English. Okay. United States. We're gonna select United States. Quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign and set up. I'm just gonna set it up manually because my old iPad broke. Wi-Fi, I'm going to do that now. Now the iPad is activating. All right, the data and privacy, make sure to read it over. You can choose to do Touch ID. I'm not gonna do that for now. And then create a password. Once you put in your password, if you want one, you can restore from iCloud, backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPad, move data from Android, or don't transfer apps and data. Then we're going to put in our Apple ID. If you have one, if you don't have one, you can make a new Apple ID. So then I put in my Apple ID, I got a code on my phone, and you're going to read and accept the terms and conditions. And then it's gonna say it's going to take a few minutes to get everything set up. Also, my iPad came at about 89%, which is, I feel like, is really good. Make this your new iPad. Here's everything set up as you had on your iPhone. Perfect. Add cards to do Apple Pay. I'm going to set that up later. I don't need that right now. iCloud keychain, keep the passwords and credit card information you save secure and up to date. You can set up Siri, and then it says welcome to iPad, and you hit get started. And this is how the iPad looks. It is very beautiful. It reminds me a lot of the way the iPhone is set up. Everything is very similar. So this is the on and off button right there. Then you have speakers up here. It also has speakers down here and a charging port. Then you have the volume keys on the side, and that is how the back looks. You have the camera, and you can double tap to turn it on, or you can press the on button. So now that we have the iPad all set up, we're going to try to get the Apple Pencil and test it out. This is the Apple Pencil. My first impressions is it fits really nice. It is a very comfortable and sleek fit, and it is very nice looking. It does come with different types of tips. Now that we have the Apple Pencil, we're going to open the USB to C Apple Pencil adapter. And there's just the arrow in the back to remove. And we're just gonna pop it out like this. And we have this adapter right here. So what you're gonna do to pair your Apple Pencil to your iPad is you're gonna take your Apple Pencil. You're gonna take the cap off of it and put it down in a safe place. And you're going to take the adapter piece that came with it and you're going to plug it in just like that. Then you're going to take the C charger that you received with the iPad and you're going to plug it in just like that. And then you're going to take the other side that is also a C, take your iPad and plug it in just like that. And now you have this kind of long contraption here. And then on your Bluetooth, it should say connected. And then you should be able to unplug. And on your iPad, it's going to pop up and ask you Bluetooth pairing request. Apple Pencil would like to pair with your iPad. And you're going to hit pair. Put your cap back on and unplug. You should get a pop-up like this, and it will say, welcome to Apple Pencil. Your Apple Pencil unlocks a whole new iPad OS experience, letting you annotate, draw, markup, and edit in the apps you use every day. And you should be able to create a quick note, scribble, easily capture screenshots. And you're going to hit continue. And then it's gonna have you test out different things. First, it says to try a scribble. So what we're gonna do is you're just gonna scribble like that. And then you're going to handwrite. So you're gonna do some handwriting. It definitely does take some time to get used to, but yes, I typed my name and it worked. So this is an updated version of the iPad. I have had this for about a couple of months now, and so I have a bunch of apps on here, and I absolutely love the iPad. It is so nice. I added a background to it, and I actually did go with the pink theme, and my Apple Pencil fits perfectly in there. And yeah, you can move it around. It's very easy. So in conclusion, the iPad is super cute. I really love the silver because I can get any case and any case will match with this. So I really like the silver. It definitely is a very pretty silver. It definitely is very light and wide, but it is really nice. I definitely recommend. I also definitely recommend getting the Apple Pencil. I am a graphic designer, so this helps me so much. And when it comes to price for the iPad 10th generation 256 gigabyte version, the first generation Apple Pencil, and the extra adapter, plus taxes and fees, altogether I paid about $751, I believe, estimated. I'll throw up a screenshot of the exact amount I paid. It was $5.99 for the iPad, $99 for the Apple Pencil, and $9 for the extra adapter. In my opinion, I definitely think it was worth it. I love the new iPad. The camera quality is really good on this. I believe it is the same exact quality as the phone I am filming on right now. 12 megapixels on the front, and I believe it is also 12 megapixels on the back. It has really, really good camera quality in my opinion, especially for an iPad. My old iPad was very grainy, and this one is just much better quality. Honestly, so far from what I've seen by it, I am super, super happy. I definitely think it is worth the price. There's still so much more I have to test out on the iPad, so I will be doing future updates and future videos on the iPad, giving updates. I'll show you the case once I get it. And once I start testing out a bunch of other features, I will also be testing those out and showing you along the way. But for now, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really, really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe, like the video if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure to follow my Instagram at @savanahpacheco and my business Instagram at Interest by Sav. And if you're interested in anything like video editing, an intro and outro, or anything that has to do with graphic design, make sure to hit my Instagram up at Interest by Sav, and we can definitely work together. So thank you guys for watching, and bye guys.